Yeah, I got a mind like Malcolm, heart like Betty Shabazz. The world ain't ready for mass. Do the math, I've been here since 76. And you know how the 70s went. It's like this, the war's over. Black people trying to get back on their feet. Black power turned to crack on the street. How it get in? Ask your mayor, motherfucker. You can ask the police. All that money, you know them pigs having a feast. Dope fiend, hell, heavy heroin, let right on the streets. Built us projects, then they let in the beast. Bulletproof vests, ratchets, and all tight gadgets. Cause he control the corner, controls the addicts. Addicts turn to money, money turns to status. Then they tell us don't break the law, like all that matters. We ain't easy to train, so they call us savage. Then they shoot us on sight, I call that savage. Fuck that, 40 cows gon' carve out bladders. We just trying to maintain in all this madness. And anybody against us, we calling them crackers. Why is that? Cause they trying to trap us. My words are sort of like a father speaking to the son. This is Big Mass, but you can call me Deacon to the slums. My mother and father, they was deep into the drugs, and you can smell the poverty, it's seeping to the rugs. But it never bothered me when I was growing up, and my father ain't acknowledged me, but I ain't give a fuck. My mother is good enough, nigga, we ain't giving up. Plus I got 9 sisters, came like 9 twisters, shook my whole world up, shook old Cheryl up, stressed out, laid on the couch, all curled up, floor all earled up, rent ain't paid, ain't none of us go to school for like 46 days. Matter of fact, I ain't get grades, I ain't get A's, they just pass me, nigga. I ain't behave. If you ask me, nigga, them teachers afraid cause of my natural ability to not be trained. Why be tamed by the system when I got a brain? I ain't a victim, I ain't a slave, I'm Nat Turner, I'm Harriet Tubman, I'm Satchel Paige, I'm Thurgood Marshall, I'm Isaac Hayes. That's called free doom, nigga, not freedom. Free doom, nigga. Cause if a nigga let you do whatever you want, you're gonna doom your motherfucking self. Feel me? Free doom, Big Mass.